So same sa mga nauna kong orders with Smart Meals PH, I will still be receiving my meals the day before the actual consumption. So for Monday, these are the meals that I got. Inside the meal pack, you'll get a guide on how to best enjoy your meals. So ang pinaka-importante to follow lang naman are yung first two items, especially if you will be receiving your meals the day before the actual consumption. So for breakfast, we have here homemade breakfast chicken tocino. For lunch, I'll be having pork humba. For dinner, meaty mac and cheese. And for snacks, I'll be having chocolate cookies with coffee stick and stevia. And lastly, for Friday, these are the meals that I got. So please take note guys that the macro distribution details that I shared are approximate measurements only and may still vary per meal. So if you have questions, you can always message Smart Meals PH on their Facebook Messenger or Instagram account.